Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Toncoin using Tonkeeper wallet. First, go to Tonkeeper. In the dashboard, tap buy and sell. From there, you'll see options where you can buy tons. But before that, I just want to let you know that the automatic country is the US. But if you're not in US, you can go ahead and change the country in whatever country you are and for the correct currency. Now go ahead and open Mercurio. It will direct you to a page where you'll see how much you'll pay and how many tons you'll get. And the last step is paying. Here you'll be able to see the payment options. I will not be able to show you the next step, but it is very easy and sure you can do it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below if you have any suggestions or questions. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.